In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your billing and subscriptions in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go to see your plan, next charge, and billing details, so you can stay on top of renewals and keep your account running smoothly. A quick note before we begin. You'll get the most complete view if you're the primary admin or billing contact on the account. Also, interfaces can evolve over time, so your screen may look slightly different, but the path is the same. Let's start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser. Using a supported, up-to-date browser will help everything load correctly. If you're prompted to sign in, log in as you normally do. If you manage more than one company, glance at the company name in the top area to make sure you're working in the right file before moving on. Next, head to the Settings menu. This is the gear icon located at the top right of your QuickBooks window. It's the central hub for account-level controls and where QuickBooks tucks away most administrative options. If you don't immediately see it, expand your browser window or close any pop-ups so the icon is visible. From the Settings menu, select Subscriptions and Billing. This opens the dedicated area where QuickBooks collects all the information related to your plan and payments. Choosing this option takes you out of day-to-day bookkeeping and into account management, which is exactly where you want to be to review charges and plan details. Once you're on the subscriptions and billing page, take a moment to look around. You'll typically see your current QuickBooks Online plan, your billing frequency such as monthly or annual, and the renewal or next charge date. You should also see the payment method on file and a summary of recent charges or invoices for your records. Many accounts display a billing history section where you can review past receipts, plus your business billing address and contact details. If you use add-ons like payroll, time tracking, or payments, those often appear here too, so you can confirm which services are active under the same billing umbrella. As you review, confirm that the plan matches what your business needs, the renewal date aligns with your expectations, and the card or bank account on file is current. If something looks out of date, make a note to revisit it later. If the page doesn't load fully, a quick refresh usually helps, and if you don't see what you expect, make sure you're signed in with a role that has billing access. That's it. You've navigated to QuickBooks Online and located subscriptions and billing, and you now know how to read what's on that screen with confidence.